Okay, there's 70 pounds of air in that tank.
You guys ready?
Yep.
Yes, sir.
So how does this work?
It just pushes pressurized oil into the oil system on the engine.
Okay.
Do you have any idea how many pounds of pressure with the oil in a running engine, if this was in an engine, how many pounds of pressure would be?
Well, every engine's going to be a little different. You're going to have a gauge on the engine, but most engines will run in a 40 to 70 pound range for oil pressure.
Okay.
How long would it take to see a result?
Depends on how much of a leak it is. If it's an extremely minor leak, it might not even show up, just doing it for a couple minutes like this. If it's a, big gusher, it's going to run out right away, which it's not. If it's a leak worth complaining about, I would think it would be seeping out here. But
Yeah. I mean, if it's leaking bad enough for you need to add oil often.
Yeah, I think my Jeep leaks more at the bottom of my oil pan.
Yeah, mine too.
I put a brass nut on there. I've tried everything, the brass washer, everything on that, and I can't stop it. Just a constant drip. Drip. Drip.
make sure we still got enough pressure on here.
Sorry, I'm just trying to get an image of your...
So back up to 70 pounds.
You want to shine a flashlight in there?
Yeah.
You have your flashlight? Okay. How do you know when it's done? Start blowing air through the little tube?
Usually the air start gurgling.
So it's been going for 4.5 minutes and we don't see anything.
better business deal if you want for customers. Recently got sell to yeah, wait. Everybody you buy from try to steal them. There's nothing wrong with it. Oh, the coffee?
Yeah. God, she made so much money out of it.
It's hard to get an image of it.
Get about empty. Not very much in there.
Yeah, I wasn't running until it's empty.
Oh, there's gurgling. It's gurgling.
She's empty.
She's empty and there's no
Yeah, you
oil.
really appreciate it again.
Yeah, that's